the goal, where profit's not the only tongue. The next stage has come. We are the young in a global family. We are welcomed, we are valued, a selfless spirit, forever tallied. And we'll go forth and live our golden lives, walk in the golden path where purpose thrives. It's more than income, it's a purpose we hold dear, a financial world made new. Our victory is here. Can you feel it? The moment is now. Are you ready? Take the vow. The train is over, the teaser is ended. Our sleeves are rolled up, the message is splendid. Into the ripe fields to do the real work we go. An active life, a golden shining glow, a pioneer spirit in a new world of tech, eliminating the perils, the confusion, the wreck. Continuous growth, our spirit won't tarnish. This golden mindset we will forever cherish. I'm ready, the moment is now. I am ready, I know how. We have been prepared, we have passed the test. The next stage awaits, our path is bright, our impact is real. Living life golden with a new lens. The only language spoken is love. Stay golden.